I have a sewing hack for you. So I've been sewing for a few years now, and I've been threading my sewing machine manually, as you can see. Sometimes this is a bit of a pain because it may take me a few goes to thread the machine, especially if I'm sewing late in the evening. Until I discovered, very recently I have to say, this hack where the sewing machine literally threads the needle for you, like it does it for you. Now I know all sewing machines are different, but your basic home sewing machine should have this feature, and if you're struggling, like me, to thread your needle in your sewing machine, especially in the evenings or late at night, this is the trick you need to use to thread your machine. That was so easy, and I can't believe I've only just worked out how to do this. I hope this helps you on your sewing journey and makes life a little bit easier.